And this is the entrance to the leasing office. Look at the floor. It is gorgeous. You got wood on the walls, separated by this beautiful metal stripe in between. And just look at that ceiling. Gorgeous. Looking right through there is the Wi-Fi bistro where you're going to go and you're going to like us on Facebook. Right through there. You can see the kitchen. And then here we go. Walking into, kind of have to go around to the side, but that's okay. Still laying floor in here. Look at that wall.
Can we hear some comments? Anybody like it?
Beautiful ceiling. Look at that big wall of windows. Looking right out at the pool. Beautiful. Here's Amy. I'm so sorry. You're fine. Hi, Amy. She's very excited.